Yes guys, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be opening up a sealed bag of £250 in 50p's. This is the first video on the Liam Collects channel, and we're going to be searching for any special coins, any commemorative coins to add to the collection. So let's get right into it. Let's open it up. Nice. 25 bags there, £10 in 50p's in each bag, which makes 250. Nice. Right, so let's get right into it, guys. Let's open up the first bag of the day. See what this sealed bag has in store for us today. Let's try and get some specials. Hey, there we go, guys. First of the day, first one of the day. We have a EU. We've got an EU coin there. First one of the day. I really like this one, man. It's a Shooting Stars EU coin. Beautiful one. Nice. First special of the day. We will take that. Thank you very much. One of my favourites as well. Nice. Anything else? A couple of Britannias. And 2019. Wait, let's go! First Paddington of the day. Come on. Let's go, guys. What a beauty. Paddington of Buckingham Palace. Beautiful. Beautiful coin right here. Nice. Get in there. I love the Paddington set. Just a beautiful coin. Very sought after. Yeah, a great collectible right there. Lovely. Okay. Let's keep it rolling. Shield. Britannia. 2017. Oh, first Peter Rabbit of the day. Nice. So that's our first Beatrix Potter of the day, guys. 2017 Tail of Peter Rabbit. Nice collectible. Another 2019 Shield. 2012 Shield. We'll keep that. A few Britannias. Britannia. More Britannias. Okay. I'm guessing 2019 Shield, you can tell. Hey, let's go! We got another Paddington. Beautiful. Look at this guy. Beautiful. Another Paddington. Second of the day. Paddington at the Palace, I believe. Look at that. Nice. Nice minty. Quite minty as well. We'll take it. Another Paddington to add to the set. Second of the day. Let's go. Nice. Let's keep our momentum rolling, guys. More here. Oh, another Peter Rabbit. Nice. Very nice. Got a bit of fading and toning on it, but we will take it for the collection. Well, hey, look at that. Straight off the bat, guys. We have got a nice special here. First of the day. We've got our Scouts. Anniversary or celebrating of the Scouts. 1907 to 2007. You know, so 100 years celebration. Yeah, nice coin. First of the day. A lot minted of these, but, you know, it's a nice one. I like it. Keep it going. So we've got Shield, Britannia. Oi! Our first diversity of the day. Look at that. Nice. Can't go wrong. Always enjoy getting a diversity, you know. And a quick fact for the day for you guys. Bit of information here while you're watching this for entertainment. But this is the UK 2020 Coin of the Year. Would you believe? It is beautiful, so I do understand that. But yeah. Found that out the other day. Thought it was very interesting. Okay, so Britannia 2019. Whoa! Another diversity. Could hardly see it. He was that misty. Had a lot of fingerprints on this one, but we'll take it. We'll add to the collection. You know. Another diversity, back to back. Couple shields here. One's 28. Both for 2008. I'm gonna double check that afterwards. Britannia. Oh, let's go! Our first Johnson dictionary, plural of the penny. So to celebrate when a dictionary was first written, I believe. Yeah, this has got a lot of toning on this one. So our first plural of the penny. This is a very collectible coin. I really like it. Just the kind of, you know, it just looks really cool with the text and a different wording on it. Yeah, this is really cool. First of the day, let's go. 2019 Shield, Britannia, and a 2015 Shield. Alright, let's keep it rolling. Rolling. Okay, oh my god, look at that! Look at that beauty. We've seen it. Have you seen it? Have you guys seen it yet while I was sorting out the pile to put in my hand? Shield, and look at that. Beautiful coin. Absolutely magnificent. One of my favorites here, guys. The 2014, sorry. Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. Look at that. Great condition as well. This is nowadays one of the, I believe it's at least top 20 rarest 50p coins you can get in the modern day 50p's. This is a beautiful coin. Very collectible. Nice. Good condition as well. Very nice. I will sleeve that up. First of the day. Okay, we've got Britannia. Whoa, let's go. First squirrel nutkin of the day. He's a bit dirty. He's a bit dirty. He's been eating too many nuts. But look, that's a nice one. First squirrel nutkin of the day, guys. 2016 Beatrix Potter set. Nice. Let's add it to the collection. Very nice. Again, back to back. Britannia and another Johnson dictionary. This one is really nice though. Very nice condition there, guys. Nice. 2005 anniversary of the dictionary being published, I believe. 20. Britannia. Oh, nice! Our first Roger Bannister of the day, guys. Look at that. I believe this is the it's to celebrate the fastest run mile, I believe. Can't remember exactly, but it's a iconic coin, Roger Bannister. I know that a lot of these minted, but yeah, very cool looking coin. Definitely add to the collection. Britannia, 2008 shield. Britannia. Whoa! Look at this, guys. Oh my god. What happened to him? This is a Gibraltar coin, guys. So, also if you can see, maybe it's gonna focus on camera. Capture of Gibraltar. Normally it'd be silver. It's got a lot of I don't know what it is on it. Some sort of gunk or spray. But this is, yeah, look at that, 2008 Capture of Gibraltar. Very nice 50p coin, but I'll see if I can clean it up. I'll keep you guys posted on that. You know, it's coming off there. I'm sort of just, I don't know, but look at that. Nice. Britannia, whoa! Now we've got a golden 50p. First we had like a black Capture of Gibraltar, now we've got 2001 Britannia, who someone tried painting gold or something. Crazy. What a weird bag. 2014. Starting off with a shield. Britannia. Oh, nice. Very nice. First 1918 representation of the People Act. This is 2018 minted from the Royal Mint. It's to celebrate representation of the People Act in 1918. Nice, good condition as well. Definitely add that to the collection. The ones I'm laying out there. Oh, another squirrel nutkin. Look at that. We've got squirrel nutkins all over the place. Another 20, and this is a real nice one. Really nice. Look at that, guys. Great pull right there. Definitely go in the collection. 2017. That's the first shield we've seen of that of the day. Britannia. Hey, another diversity. Lovely. We will take that. Nice. can't go without a bunny. We got a beautiful Benjamin bunny right here. 2017 Beatrix Potter. Absolute icon in the Beatrix Potter series. Everyone loves a Benjamin bunny. How can you not? It's just a lovely coin. Whoa! Don't put that back. It's a Paddington. Look at that. Another Paddington at Buckingham Palace, I believe. We're at the Tower of London. No, this is Buckingham Palace, this one. Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely condition. Lovely coin. That's our second of the day of that, right? Britannia, 2014. Oh, another diversity. Very minty, this one. Look at that. That's a very minty guy. Nice. Britannia. Whoa! There we go, guys. We got our first peace, prosperity, and friendship with all nations coin. This is the Brexit 2020. Yeah, very nice one. Look at that. Nice condition. Very sought after coin nowadays, this one. Nice. I really like that coin. Alright, let's keep it rolling. Last few bags of the day. See what we can find. 2014 Shield. Oh, another Peter Rabbit. Very nice. Very nice condition. Another Beatrix Potter for the collection. 20. Tanya, oh hey! Another Paddington right here. Look at that, with the hat off as well. Beautiful. Look at that. We love that one. 2019. I just love the Paddingtons, man. He's got his hat off in that one. Look, it's just beautiful. I just love the whole Paddington set. Paddington's just a legend. How can you not love him? You know? Hey, let's go! The Paddington bag. This is the Paddington bag, guys. Let's go. Come on. Get in there. Another Paddington for the collection. This one's very nice condition. Look at that. Paddington with a flag at the Palace 2018. I just love the Paddingtons. Get in there. Come on. Very nice. This is the Paddington bag, guys. Wow. We are getting them all over the place. I'm going to call this the Paddington bag. We just need the Paddington at the train station now. Right, and then Britannia's to finish. Shield. And a few more Britannias to finish it off. Okay, guys. Well, you know, we didn't get that last bag magic, but you know, it's been a nice. That was a good bag. You know, first video on the channel, on the Liam Collects YouTube channel. Here's some of the pulls here, guys. You know, had some nice ones here today. Some Squirrel Nutkins, some Paddingtons, you know. A few shields as well, some of the rare ones from the 2017, I believe. We had even a gold coin up here. Look at that one. Nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you on the next one. Let's get it.